we are studying chapter 20, in which we are studying the area and the perimeter of the closed figure. Here we are studying perimeter and area of rectangle and perimeter and area of square. I have made the figure. Here the two figure is the rectangle, here is the square. ABCD is a square in which AB is equal to length L, BC equal to breadth B, AD will also be and BC will also L. AC is diagonal and we know D equal to L square plus B square by using Pythagoras theorem. Now here we have perimeter of rectangle equal to 2L plus B, L length, B breadth. Area of the rectangle A equal to L into B, length into breadth. And diagonal D equal to under root L square plus B square, means length square plus B square. So with this formula we can find out the whatever we require in the sum. So perimeter and area of the square, same we have. Perimeter of square equal to 4A, area of square equal to A square, and the diagonal equal to A under root 2. So with this help of this formula, we will solve the sum of exercise 20B. Now I am taking the sum number 1. Question number 1, exercise 20B is that find the length and the perimeter of rectangle whose area is 120 cm square and breadth is 8 cm. Right, whatever given, A equal to 120 cm square, B equal to 8 cm square, and you have to find out, and perimeter you have to find out. So here we know A equal to L into B, 120 equal to L into B, L into 8. So L equal to 120, 8 will divide 120, you will get the 15 cm is the length. Now perimeter, you know, perimeter equal to 2L plus B, equal to 2, 15 plus 8 equal to 2 into 23, that is 46 cm. So that is your answer, 15 cm and the 46 cm. Now we have the question number 3. What is that? The diagonal of a rectangle is 34. If its breadth is 16 cm, find its area. So what we have, D equal to, you know, or L square plus B square. So that is 34 equal to F under root L square plus 16 square. 16 is breadth and 34 is diagonal. So 34 square equal to 1156 equal to L square plus 256. 256 will subtract from 1156, we will get the 900. 900 equal to L square and L equal to 30. So area equal to L into B, that is 30 into 16, that is 480 centimeter square. Children, I am taking question number 5, exercise 20B. Here is the sum. The perimeter of a square equal to 36 centimeter. Area we have to find out. So P equal to 4A, we know the formula, and 36 equal to 4A, that is 36 upon 4, that is A. So A equal to 4 9 the 36, 9. So area equal to A square. The area of the square equal to A square. So A, we got the 9. So 9 square, that is 81 centimeter square. So area of the square, that is 81 centimeter square. Children, I am taking question number 9, in which the area of the square equal to 169 centimeters is given. So we know A equal to A square, that is 169 equal to A square, or square root of 169 equal to A. So we got the A side, that is 13 centimeter. We have to find the perimeter also. So P equal to 4A. So now we get P equal to 4 into 13, that is 52 centimeter. That is our answer. Now we are taking the sum number 11. In the 11, given area is numerically equal to P, that is perimeter. So write down A equal to P, and we know A square, that is area, equal to 4A. A square, the square, here is the 2A and here is the A, will cancel each other. So we got the A equal to 4. Now area equal to A square, that is 4 square. We got the side A equal to 4. So 4 4 the 16. So area equal to 16 centimeter square. That is your answer. Children, I am taking question number 13, first part. So here we have the figure. You can see the figure PQRS. And inside the PQRS we have the square ABCD. PQRS is a rectangle and ABCD is a square. The dimension of PQRS are given 3.2 meter and 1.8 meter, and the dimension of ABCD, that is a square, that is 1.4 centimeter each side. So we will find the area of the shaded part, that is dotted part. So area of the PQRS, the outside the figure, that is rectangle, and we all know the area of the rectangle is length into breadth. So length is 3.2 and breadth is 1.8. So we will multiply together, we get the area by 5.76 meters square. Now here we will find the area of the square that is inside the PQRS, that is ABCD. So the area of the square, you all know the side square, that is AB square. AB is the side of the square. All sides are equal, so 1.4 square, that is 1.96. So now area of the shaded part equal to the area of the PQRS minus area of the ABCD. That will give the area of the shaded part. So now subtracted 5.76 minus 1.96, we get the 3.8 meter square. That is your answer. Children, I am taking question number 14, that is a path of uniform width 3 meters runs around the outside of the square field of side 21 meter. Find the area of the path. That means we have the ABCD is a square field of dimension 21 meter square. That means AB equal to BC equal to CD equal to AD, and the path around it of the distance of the width of the path is 3 meters. So we have the length PQ will be the 3 centimeter, they have increased, and 3 meters on the other side. So 21 plus 3 that is 27 meters. So PQ will be 27, and the QR and RS and SP will also 27. So now we have to find the area of the path. How can find area of the PQRS minus area of the ABCD? So first find the area of the PQRS, that is PQ square, side square, that is 27 square, 729 meter square, and the area of the ABCD, that is the AB square, that is 421 square, that is 441. So area of the path equal to area of PQRS minus area of ABCD, that is 288 meter square. Children, I am taking question number 16, exercise 20B. Given the length of a hall is 18 meter and its width is 13.5 meter. Find the least number of square tiles, each of sides 25 centimeter, required to cover the floor of the hall. First part, without leaving any margin. Second, leaving a margin of width 1.5 meter all around. In each case, find the cost of the tiles required at the rate of ₹6 per tile. So we are taking the first part. What is given? The length of hall 18 meter, width equal to 13.5 meter. Here side of the square tile is in given centimeter, 25 centimeter. So we are changing into meter, that is 0.25. Now number of tile required, we will find out area of hall upon area of each tile. So area of hall will be given by as the area of the rectangle equal to L into B. So 18 into 13.5. And the area of the square is side square, that is 0.25 into 0.25. Now decimal, remove the decimal, increase the 2 zeros, that will give the 100 in the numerator, and the 1 decimal will cancel by the 13.5, and 1 more 0 will put here to remove the 0. So 1350 and 100 and this one. So cancel 25 for the 100, and 1350 divided by 25 will get the 54. Now product of 18 into 54 into 4, that will give the 388 numbers of tiles required to cover this area. Now cost of tile will be at the rate of 6 per tile, that is 3888 multiply 6, that is 23,328. So that is the answer of your question of your first part. Children, the second part is that in which the margin of 1.5 meter and around the hall is leaving. So number of tile in this case, number of tile required will be 1.5 all around it. So that means 1.5 on the left side and 1.5 on the right side. That will make the 3.0 on each from the length, and the width we will subtract. So the number of tile required equal to 18 minus 3.0 and 13.5 minus 3.0, and the area of the tile same as in the last part. So 18 minus 3 will give the 15, and 13.5 minus 3 will give the 10.5 upon 0.25 and the 0.25. Same we will 0.25 will make the 100 in the numerator, and 0.25 we can cancel with the 10.5, making the 5, we will put the 0. So cancel each other, we will get the 15, 42 and 4. The product of that will give the 2520. So here the cost of tile will be equal to 2.520 into 6. That the rate per tile is 6. So we will get the answer 15,120. So that is our answer. Children, I am taking question number 18. In that given ratio of length and breadth 5:4, and we have to find the cost of fencing. Cost of fencing we have to find out for the we will find out the perimeter first. So first we will find the length and breadth of the field. So area, let the length equal to 5x and breadth equal to 4x as the given ratio 5:4. So area will be 5x into 4x, but the area of the rectangular field is given 3380. So that will equal to the 5x into 4x, that is 20x square. So we will divide 3380 by 20, we will get the 169. 169 equal to x square, or x equal to root 169, that will give the 13. So x is 13, so that means length equal to 5x equal to 5 into 13, that will give the 65. And the breadth equal to 4x into 4 into 13 equal to 52 centimeter. So we get the perimeter with this with the length and breadth 2 into L plus B, that is 2 into 65 plus 52, that is 234. And the cost of fencing will be 234, the perimeter into 75. The cost of fencing equal to 17,550. That is your answer.